Good day, class. I hope you are all doing well. Today's topic is about last week's activity, the 3D modeling of Eve from the movie Wall-E. But before that, I would like to congratulate you all for creating the model and submitting it to me before this lesson. I have observed that the common struggles you have in your time lapse is that this area, the face. Common struggles are the protruding eyes and the face, and also the time. So I am here to demonstrate to you my 5 to 6 simple steps of creating this model. It seems complicated, but if you are knowledgeable about the software and you know a lot of commands, maka-think na dayon mo of what to do in creating this model. So to make sure of my time, I have here a stopwatch para ma-monitor nato ang time na akong gi-spend sa pag-create ani nga model. Okay. I am not telling you that your ways are wrong and my way is the correct one. Ang gusto lang na ako i-emphasize is pag you use the software AutoCAD in your advantage. There are a lot of commands available, but you have to choose the commands nga maka-lead sa imo sa result na accurate and short amount of time ang spend nimo, because there's no use nga mag AutoCAD ka and then you took the long way. AutoCAD is created for architects para mapadali ang work nila, no, ang pag-create of 3D and ang pag-create of drawing. Okay, so we will start. Okay, start our time, and then first thing you do is you insert the JPEG of Wall-E that I have posted from our group page. And then the second step is you trace the image, because you will be using the command revolve um, in this exercise. Okay, but before that, uh, use a line that contrasts the JPEG. So I'll gonna use ADT5 blue para clear siya. Inig-trace na ako sa profile ni Eve. So i-activate ang ADT5, which is I assigned it blue color, and then you trace. So turn off the ortho and then start tracing the image using the command polyline. So arc, sec, line. Okay. So, okay, this one. we have successfully traced body. And then next, the face or the head. Arc, and then sec, close. Okay, so we have a profile of the head and the body. Now um, we're going to trace the face. So my technique here is I'm not going to trace it again. I will use the command offset. So I type the distance to see the distance, and then I copy it. I copy the distance. Okay. And then my command is offset. Offset the distance. I paste the distance. Then I choose the. Okay, so don't worry if it's not accurate. I-adjust na lang dahil mo ang lines according to fit the face. Okay. So I am using the command stretch. Okay. So after that, let's go to the eyes. Let's trace it. Arc, sec. Okay. And then you trace the arms. Okay. Close. So you have the profile already, and you copy it. Okay. So dili na pod siya klaro, so we'll change it to, we'll go back to 0 and orbit so that you have a clear view when we revolve. Okay. So revolve, REV. Then specify the axis. Then 360. Rev. It turns blue because the active is blue. 360. Okay. I-activate na lang natin si 0. Pwede mo. Okay. So now, You have the body already. Hmm? Revolted nato ni si arms. 360. Okay. So now, after that, uh, si arms dili pa ni siya final class. We have to slice it or um, slice nato si arms or i-subtract. Okay. So, sa pag slice kay arms, create lang ka og an object to subtract. Pwede siya slice class, pwede sa subtract. Extrude. Uh, say 30. Any. Okay. Then you copy it, you move it sa arms. Make sure nga ang object I want to cut mani siya nga area diri class. Kining I hope naka-follow mo. 'Di ba when we um gi-rotate ni nato dinhi nga portion diha, so tibuok siya para makita tong part nga half, para ma-achieve tong half lang nga part, nag-subtract ko sa a solid. Ang importante lang class is diri, no, diri nga part is accurate dayon. Na-observe ninyo ganina nga bahalag unsa na siya kadako ang dinhi nga part. Kay anyway when you subtract object, ang katong gi-use nimo as ang subtract sa original nga object mawala man to siya automatically. So SU, okay. So na-create na ang arms ni Wall-E. I mean Eve. So now the eyes. So mas daghan kaayo ang face ug eyes ani nga marisdan sila. So first is you extrude. You follow extrude this one. Make sure that it's mulampas siya sa head. And then command MI, mirror. You mirror the face. Turn on the ortho. So you have this face already. So you copy this. You subtract. Okay? Para mag-create ka og hole sa face para um, ang katubit ng mga glit, mga um, na ay si tawag ani ano mo glitters mo naay glitch class if naay mga surfaces nga nagsapaw-sapaw sa object, no? Kung magsapaw-sapaw ang object, naay glitch ana. So ibalik day nini mo class. Move. Make sure nga sakto imuhang base point, no? Asa ba mas clear og base point kini? Diri, so dinhi ta mag base point. Because if dili sakto ang imuhang base point, no? Oh, see? Diri ko hibali din hinako siya gi-click sa kilid. So dapat pag base nako class naapod siya sa kilid. Huh? This area here. And then you turn on the snap para accurate. Okay, now naa na siya face. Pero ni protrude ang ang face niya. Now we're going to make an object to subtract this protruding face. So just copy the profile of the head, change it to a lighter color, and then you trim, and then polyline. So estimate that it's far enough to cover um, the protruding face, and then um, connect the two, use fillet. Okay, and then revolve. 360. So inside this object, there's a hole of the face. So you copy this one, and attach it to the head. Make sure that it's accurate ha nga sa head. Because kung masayop ka ani og attach, inig subtract sa bigger object, naana dayon mo labaw, that's the time na dayon nga kuan siya. Dili na siya accurate, so we'll choose na lang sa top diri nga part na to i-attach. Okay. Copy. Attach this one here. Asa ba to? Turn on your snaps and then subtract. Okay. Oh. And then you subtract. Okay, so here it is, the face. I'll create a new layer for the face. We'll assign it a different color. We'll say yellow so that it's klaro with kay siya. Okay? So, naa na siya face. We'll do the same with the eyes. You extrude the eyes. Make sure that it protrude enough, and then mirror. Then you copy, you duplicate the image because we're gonna use it later. Ini lang siya is to make a hole. So you subtract, and then put it back. Okay, and you subtract again the protruding eyes. Here, snap it here. So the snap is very helpful when your object is uh, complex already. So you subtract. So there you are, the eyes. Okay, we assign the eyes. Assign another layer for the eyes. Nice. Okay. So as you can see that it's there's no protruding um, objects there. And then we'll mirror the MI. Okay, so here it is, the 3D of Wall-E. Okay, orbit. I'll make it stand na lang. Okay. The view, show style, shaded. I'll change the color of the face to a darker one. So there you are on how to um, create 3D of Eve. Okay. So again, the steps of making it is first you would download the JPEG from you would download the JPEG and then trace the JPEG at least half profile of the object, and then use the command revolve to make the body and the face and the head and also the arms. And then you will use extrusion command uh, to cut some parts of the revolved arms. And then you command mirror to duplicate on the other side of the arms. And then in creating the face, you extrude the face. Make sure that it's overlapping the head, and then you subtract, and then you put again the face, and then you create another profile, another solid object to cut the protruding face, and then repeat the process on the eyes. So that's 5 or 6 simple steps in creating this 3D model of Eve. So for this week's activity, si wall-in na pod atong i i 3D. Okay? Because what's important in this course is you practice uh, drawing, you practice, you use the commands. YouTube have a lot of tutorials, and in this way, you're gonna learn a lot of things about the subject. Okay, let's keep it this way. Na mag-una sa una ang exercise, and then after na dayon the lecture. Okay, so see you class next meeting. Keep safe.